Everybody, welcome back to another video about Shiba Inu. In this video, I'm talking about the latest and urgent update of the Shiba Inu. But my friends, before starting this video, before discuss the update of the Shiba Inu, I request everybody to please click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos. My friends, the currently latest update of the Shiba Inu is going very urgent and going very special for all of you. The currently today latest price of the Shiba Inu in the market is 0.00006 USD dollar. That is the currently live price of the Shiba Inu. And furthermore, if we talk about the price changes on the Shiba Inu, so now the last 1 hour changes is a negative. The last 1 day, the last 1 week changes occurs in the Shiba Inu is positive. Absolutely taken a huge pump, and I really love these kind of pumps of the Shiba Inu especially. So that's really good news for all of you that from yesterday, from last 1 week, the Shiba Inu price is again going positive. Wow, that's really a huge and big news for all of you. You can see, my friends, in the last of today, that is the last 1 days, and in the last hours, the Shiba Inu is start pumping. And my friends, I hope that they will continue this pump for a long time and they give you profit. Shiba Inu is also profitable coin. I know about that, but you know what? A lot of people are going to sell. I request all of you to please don't sell, don't sell, don't sell. It's just time to hold. Never decide to sell, just hold. Positive 1.1% the price increase in the last 24 hours. So everything is going good. Just hold. And if you want to buy more Shiba Inu tokens, so I think that's really good for all of you. Hope you like this video. What is your opinion? What is your opinion about Shiba Inu? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.